TracFone's eSIM technology represents a major advancement in cellular service activation. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card that's built directly into your device, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card. Unlike traditional physical SIM cards that you insert into your phone, an eSIM is permanently embedded in your device and can be programmed remotely by your carrier. As of August 2025, TracFone operates primarily on Verizon's robust network infrastructure. This partnership provides extensive coverage across the United States, with additional support from AT&T and T-Mobile networks in certain regions. To successfully activate TracFone eSIM service, you'll need to meet 4 essential requirements. Let's examine each requirement in detail. First, you need a compatible device that supports eSIM technology. The device must be either unlocked or specifically compatible with TracFone's network. Second, you need an active TracFone account. This can be an existing account, or you can create a new account during the activation process. Third, you'll need a stable Wi-Fi internet connection for the initial setup and activation process. This ensures reliable communication with TracFone's servers. Finally, you need an active TracFone service plan. This can be either a prepaid plan or a monthly plan, depending on your preference. Now let's examine device compatibility in detail. TracFone eSIM supports a wide range of modern smartphones from major manufacturers. For iPhone users, TracFone eSIM is compatible with iPhone 12 and all newer models. This includes the iPhone 12, 13, 14, and 15 series, as well as the iPhone SE 3rd generation. For Android users, TracFone eSIM supports Google Pixel 4 and newer models, as well as select Samsung Galaxy devices, including the S20 series and newer flagship models. It's crucial to verify that your specific device model supports eSIM technology before attempting activation. You can check TracFone's website or contact customer service to confirm compatibility for your device. Understanding these requirements and ensuring device compatibility are essential first steps before proceeding with TracFone eSIM activation. In the next section, we'll walk through the step-by-step activation process. There are 3 main methods to activate your TracFone eSIM service. Each method offers different advantages depending on your preference and technical comfort level. You can activate online through your TracFone account, call customer service, or visit a retail store for in-person assistance. The online method is the most popular choice. Start by logging into your TracFone account on their website or mobile app. First, log into your existing TracFone account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one with your personal information. Navigate to the Manage My Device section, then select Activate New Device and choose the eSIM option from the available choices. You'll need to provide your device's IMEI number. You can find this in your phone's settings under About or by dialing *#06#. The system will generate a unique QR code for your device. Go to your phone's settings, select Cellular or Mobile Data, then tap Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code. For phone activation, call TracFone customer service at 1-877-430-2355. Provide your account information and device IMEI number. You'll receive an activation code via SMS or email to enter manually in your device settings. For in-store activation, visit any participating TracFone retail location. Bring your compatible device and identification. A store associate will help you through the entire activation process and provide immediate support if needed. After activation, which typically takes 15 to 30 minutes, test all your services. Make a phone call, send a text message, and check that your data connection is working properly. Your TracFone eSIM is now ready to use.